Let's compare numbers. When comparing numbers, think about tens and ones. There are less than, greater than, or equal amounts. When comparing numbers, the alligator wants the bigger number. This says 15 is less than 23. Which amount is greater? This shows that 10 is greater than 5. Which amount is greater? This shows 21 is greater than 11. This shows 45 is greater than 39. This shows 13 is less than 88. This shows 79 is equal to 79.
Greater than, less than, equal to. Numbers have its own value. Some are more and some are less. Let's compare 10 more, 10 less.
For more educational resources, visit the Green Chalkboard store on TPT. You can also visit my blog, firstteaserheroes.blog, and follow me on Pinterest at the Green Chalkboard 1. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.